Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make money on Clickbank for beginners. And if this is your first time to my channel is all about making money online with affiliate marketing and just helping people have freedom and choices to do what they love. Now, affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to get started making money online because you don't have to have your own product. You can just promote someone else's product and then you can earn a commission. And the best place, I believe, to get started is on Clickbank. So let's go ahead and get into the content. Again, how to make money on Clickbank for beginners. And the first thing you want to do is select your niche. And you want to be careful on what you choose because you want to choose something, one of these three niches, because these are the three areas that people have the most pain in. And the first one is health, and a couple areas that are really hot right now are CBD oil and the keto diet. The second area you could choose for your niche would be relationships, such as dating or any problems that people have in relationships. And the third area is wealth, and this could be how to make money online through affiliate marketing, real estate investing, anything to increase wealth. So you want to make sure one of those is what you pick for your niche. And then after that, you're going to go to clickbank.com and create your account right here in the upper right hand corner. It's free to create your account, and this is a very reputable company. They pay weekly and I haven't had any problems with them. Okay, so after you do that, you're going to log in, and up here at the top it says Marketplace, and that's where you're going to find the offers that you can promote as an affiliate. So let's say your niche is going to be wealth, making money online. So we would go over here on the left hand side. For example, you'd click on e-business and e-marketing. That's our niche. And then when you get here, you see all the offers. And you're going to see up here at the right, at the top, you can sort results by popularity. But what I like to do is come down here and click on gravity. And what we're looking for is right here where it says gravity. This top one here is 139.18. You want to pick something that's over 50, I believe, is a good number. Now what gravity means is that's the number of affiliates that have made a sale in the last 12 weeks. So 139 people have made a sale on this product. This one below it, it's not quite as good, but it's still good, 70.44. So we're going to go ahead and check this offer out, 5-minute profit sites. And you also want to make sure that it has an affiliate page because they're going to provide you with the tools that you need to promote this product. So you're going to click on the affiliate page and see what does it look like, and watch the sales video. Is it something that looks of quality that you want to promote? So you're going to go and click down here. They have affiliate tools. So you can see that this vendor has some really great affiliate tools here. They have banners and images if you choose to do marketing with banners. And then this is really important that they have email follow-up swipes, and they really do have quite a few with this one. They have 20 emails that you can use for follow-ups. Okay, so this actually looks like a good product, 5-minute profit sites. Okay, so now we've selected our product in our niche, and now we need to drive traffic. But You don't want to drive traffic just to your affiliate link, because most people won't buy on the first time. Probably 90% of people won't buy. So you need to have a way that you can follow up with these leads. And what you want to do is send them to a lead capture page. So they'll enter their email address in order to get something upfront for free. And then you'll be marketing to them after they're in your sales funnel and in your autoresponder by email marketing. So, okay, where were we at here? So you can use these emails. The other way that you can drive traffic is through YouTube reviews. So let's say you wanted to go and do a review. The best thing to do is actually purchase the product. Sometimes you can contact them and see if they can give you like a demo product to review, so you don't actually have to purchase it. But the best thing to do is if you do purchase it and you go through the product, and that gives you a better way of doing a review. So let's say you're going to review this 5-minute profit site. Let's go to YouTube, and we're going to type in 5-minute profit sites review. Okay. So then you can see all the people that have done reviews here. And what I would do is go ahead and listen to the ones that have a lot of views, these top ones. I would go ahead and see what is it that they're saying in their videos, how are they reviewing it. You don't want to copy what they're doing, but just kind of get ideas and be like a reporter and put things together in your own words and put your own spin on it. And another tip I have for you, okay, let's click on this one here. He's got 2,700 views. Okay, my computer's running kind of slow today. So my tip is you can actually see what keywords he's using to rank. And it's a plugin called vidIQ. It's free. So just search that, download it, and then when you click on this video here off to the right here, you can see all the tags that he used. So you can model after him by using the same tags. And obviously you don't want to copy everything that he has done, but you kind of want to use it as your guide. But I would go ahead and listen to several of them and take notes, and then come up with your own review on this product. But this definitely looks like something that would be good to review. So that, and you can either link it to, okay, you want to link it to a lead capture page, but you don't always have to promote this particular product. You could promote something else. Like you could say, and if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I have in the description below my #1 recommended site on how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch. Click on the link below this video so you can have something else that you're promoting and building your email list. It doesn't have to be this particular product, but this is something that people are searching for. Obviously, if there's this many videos about it. And I'll show you an example of an affiliate product that I got out of Clickbank, which was Clickbank University. And you can see that I'm ranking for this keyword, Clickbank University Review 2018. I just put this video up a few days ago, and I think I'm like number 8 or 9 down here, right here. And yes, I said don't link directly to the affiliate offer link, but I'm in the process of getting my sales funnel set up, and I'm going to replace that because I'm changing up my back-end offer. But this is just an example of what I did. I actually did purchase this product, and it is a high-quality product, and I do recommend it. And then the other way, besides YouTube reviews, is to do solo ads. And solo ads are where you go buy traffic from another marketer who already has an email list of buyers, and then you promote, you buy the traffic from them, they promote your offer for you. So the best place to go that I would recommend is Udemy. I'm going to leave a link below this video that you can get your free account, but it's udimi.com, and you can come in here, and at the top, we're not going to go into exactly how to do solo ads, but that'll be in another video. But on the top you can find sellers, and I will tell you that this person has been recommended to me, Desmond Ackles Smith, and you can see all the thumbs ups that he's gotten, 4,856. So you'll have to, they'll tell you what to provide them with, but it'll be your lead capture page and then your email swipe, which you can get some of the email swipes from here, or use this as inspiration to write your own. And you can't always expect to make all your money back, with a solo ad. So it's not like you're just going to make all this money, but it's a way to build your email list. And that way you can follow up with these buyers and continue to offer them value, and you can offer them other offers, not just the one that you're, it may not just be this one, the 5-minute profit sites, but as you're building your email list, you're going to be developing a relationship with that email list and providing them with links to other offers that may help them. Sometimes people are interested in one, other people will be interested in another one, so it's important to provide them with different choices. So again, the email follow-up is really, really important, because that's generally when people buy. On average, it takes people about 7 exposures before they buy something and before you make the sale. And people may be on your email list for a long time, and then you make another offer, and that's a good fit for them at that time, and they may buy then. So it's really important that you follow up. And then again, you can send related offers, something that would complement that first offer that you send out, with having to do with the same problem. So those are what the steps are that I would recommend on how to make money on Clickbank for beginners, because again, affiliate marketing is the easiest way to make money online, especially if you know what you're doing. So again, I really liked this Clickbank University because it's going to walk you through from start to finish how to set up a lead capture page and track your links, because you have to know what traffic source is making you the money so that you can scale that up. Because if you don't know where your sales are coming from, you're really losing money. And so this product is for affiliates, but it's also for vendors. If you have a product that you want to get on Clickbank, then this will walk you through exactly how to do that. So I'm going to leave a link below this video to my review of the Clickbank University on how to make money with affiliate marketing, and you can check that out if you're interested in really learning a lot more about affiliate marketing. So with that being said, if you got value from this video, go ahead and click the like button, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you want to have more videos like this on how to make money online. With that being said, this is Karen Merrow signing off, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye now.